Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Learn Fashion with Uma. Those who are new, hi, I am Uma Mittal and I'm posting much contents on fashion, cutting and stitching videos and some styling videos and started some Flipkart haul and Amazon haul videos. So yeah, make sure you subscribe it and press that bell icon so that you will get notification on time whenever I uploaded a video. So let's start with the video. So I make this beautiful long party wear gown out of my old sari. I wore this sari on my college farewell and I don't want to wear it again. So I decided to make some interesting out of this sari. So without getting further delay, let's start. How can we make this? So you need three types of fabric: lace or a net fabric, satin fabric and some lining fabric. So you need 2 meter lace fabric, 5 meter satin fabric and lining 4 meter. So first we will mark on a newspaper, then we will trace on a fabric. So we will mark 15 inch according to our body's length. Then we will mark for a shoulder. So I marked here for 7 inch. And I mark here for an armhole line. So I mark here also for a 7 inch. For chest we will calculate it by formula. So if your chest is 34 inch, we will divide by 4. So it comes 8.5 inch. Add 0.5 inch for ease. So it comes 9 inch. Add 1.5 inch for margin. So it is 11 inch. For a waistline, we will calculate it again by a formula. So if your waist is 32 inch, so divide it by a 4. So we will get 8 inch. Add 1 inch for dart. So it comes 9 inch. So we will mark at 9 inch and mark 1.5 inch for margin. So it comes 10.5 inch. So we will join these lines. For a dart, we will take 4 inch from this side and from upper we will take 9.5 inch. So it is our dart. Mark at half inch and draw a curve with the armhole curve scale. So it is slightly in, so because we are making a front wear, so it is deep than backward. After this we will mark at 4.5 inch from there and 6.5 inch from this. So we will join these points with a slightly curve. I make a bot neck here at 3.5 inch and length at 3 inch. You can make your own design. So we will cut this. So I cut this out. So for first one piece we will cut on only on a lace fabric, and second one we will cut on both fabric, lace and satin fabric as per our design. So I cut this all. You can see this. So now we will cut back bodies directly on our fabric. So I mark shoulder here 7 inch and armhole again on 7 inch. You can mark as per your length. So we will mark chest as we mark on our front body. So I mark at 9.5 inch and add some 8 inch for a margin at 11 inch. So for a waistline we will divide our waist by 4. So our waist will 8 inch, add 0.5 inch for dart. So I will mark at 8.5 inch and 10 inch and join these lines. For neck I take a 3.5 inch and length at 9 inch, because back neck is always a deeper and it make your neck more attractive. So you can make any neck design you want. I make first bot neck, then I make rhombus or a diamond shape design. So I cut this out and same I trace on a lace fabric. So now we will cut the lower part of our gown. So fold your fabric in a 4 layers and we will fold like a triangle here. So for a waist, we will take waist where our body part ended. So it is 30 inch here. Add 2 inch for a seam allowance, so it comes 32 inch. So we will divide it by 6.28. So then it comes a 4.75 inch approx. So I will mark it 4.75 inch for a waistline. So I will mark like this, 4.75 from there and 4.75 from there. Then I will try to make a curve here. Then for a lower part I take 44 inch length here, so I'd mark 44 inch here, 44 inch here and 44 inch here. As my fabric is less, so what I will do, I will cut out this first, then so we will take this fabric and mark on this fabric 44 inch length, so that our flare will have a proper length of 44 inch. I will join and make a smooth curve, and then I will cut the excess fabric. So I do same with the lining part, and